It's a nice day to be at Knapford Station.
Hello.
Oh, hello, stranger. Who are you?
I'm not Olaf. I'm not clone of Olaf from Frozen.
Hi, not Olaf. I'm Henry the Green Engine.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
I have something to tell you.
Okay, what is it?
You're grounded.
Hey, why did you ground me? I didn't do anything wrong.
Sorry, Henry. I just wanted to do it for no reason.
Well, that wasn't very nice. Just wait until Sir Topham Hatt hears about this.
What's going on here?
Sir, thank goodness you're here. This strange-looking snowman named Not Olaf grounded me for no reason.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, Henry, I'll take care of this. Not Olaf, how dare you ground Henry the Green Engine? He didn't do anything wrong. You have caused confusion and delay. I'm gonna have to call your guardian about this. Go home now.
Hello? Who is this?
Hi, this is Sir Topham Hatt speaking. Your clone grounded Henry the Green Engine for no reason.
Oh wow. I can't believe not Olaf would do something like this. I will ground him when he gets home.
Okay, good. Bye.
Bye.
It's okay, Henry. Not Olaf is gone.
Well, that's good. I must get back to work now.
Okay, Henry, good luck.
Not Olaf, I can't believe you grounded Henry the Green Engine. That was not okay. You're grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room now.